Let's see how to bold text in Canva. So for your information, why do people bold their text in Canva? It's because of its emphasis and visibility. To make important words or phrases stand out, attracting the viewer's attention, you can bold text or specific text or even phrases for them to stand out. Also, bold text is commonly used for headings, subheadings, and call to action text. So, for you to able to bold your text, you just have to do this process. Navigate to the project section and choose the design you wanted to modify the text you have. And then, after clicking on the design, navigate to the page that has the text that you wanted to make it bold. For example, like in this text, which is the email, I wanted to highlight this by making it bold. So how do I do it? I have two methods to use. Just simply click this section and then you just have to click this letter B, which is the bold icon, and the text is now bold. But in some cases, it is easy to use that if you select this section, you just hold your control key on your keyboard as well as holding the B key or letter B on your keyboard, making it a bold text. So that's how you bold your text in Canva. See you soon.